If you are potentially a seller here soon, listen up. This one's for you because this is what not to do if you're thinking about selling. Don't do nothing. Doing nothing is going to get you nowhere, and it's not going to get your goals done whenever you want to sell this property. Get your house ready. Landscaping, painting, decluttering, all those things make a big difference for you to get top dollar for your property and for it to go quickly and efficiently. Get as many people in there, which drives the price up. You want top dollar for your property. You bought this property, you invested it, you put down the money for it, you had it for so many years. Do research. Know what's going on around you. Hiring a realtor like me will actually do the research for you to make sure that you are prepared. You know what to expect. Different set of eyes looking at your property that has an expertise of what is going on in a heartbeat on the market. Clean, declutter, research, and hiring a good realtor that knows everything in between. So keep your mind if you're thinking about selling. This is one of my tips right now for sellers. So thank you for watching. Hit that like. Until next time.